Greetings to Sir Zul. My name is Mariana Wellington Anak Roy, and in this video we're gonna discuss about water pollution. This is the detail of my group member, which include Ikwan, David, Shah, Mardiana, and Mimi. So, what is water pollution? Generally, water pollution is when the chemicals contaminate water sources, the water become unsafe for use in drinks, cooking, cleaning, swimming, and other activities. Chemicals, waste, microorganisms, and parasites are examples of pollutants. All types of pollutants eventually end up in water. There are various types of water pollution, which is chemical pollution, groundwater pollution, microbiological pollution, nutrient pollution, oxygen depletion pollution, and lastly, surface water pollution. For our study case, we were investigating the water condition at the Alpha Lake. The types of water pollution that have been determined in the Alpha Lake is domestic water pollution. This is because of human activities that produce hazardous waste and domestic sewage, which contaminate water with the pathogenic microbes and dangerous compounds. The outcome from this water pollution is the aquatic creature is endangered, the uncomfortable view from the student in Alpha and dorms of Alpha cafes, the algae will grow, then disrupt the natural balance and degrades water quality.
Okay guys, today we're gonna continue our interview about Lake Alpha, which is polluted or not. So that's for student and we can go there. Let's go. Go. Excuse me sir. Can we ask you a couple of questions about this lake?
Yes.
Okay,
So
first can you introduce yourself, your name, your student part, and where do you live?
My name is Sinisius Freddy Kling.
Which part?
I'm a part 4 student of Applied Science, and I'm from Kuching, Sarawak.
Sarawak.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm from far away.
Okay, I ask you a couple of questions. First, does this lake look polluted to you?
Yes, it's probably polluted for me.
Okay. And can you tell me why?
The reason why it's polluted because there's no creatures we found on the surface of lakes, but what we call there are some algae in the surface.
Okay. Okay. For you, does the polluted lake matter for you?
Yes, it's important.
Can
for
you
us.
Can you tell us why?
Because the polluted lakes will disturb the aquatic systems and what we call it will unbridled proliferation phytoplanktons in the lakes.
Okay. Last, what do you think the cause of this lake become polluted?
I think, as we know, I think it's polluted because of the it comes from the sewage. I think.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's all from me. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Ikwan and this is Muhammad Shazani. And today we at Alpha Lake. So we're gonna review about condition lake, which is a main lake in the UiTM. So let's ask some students. Let's go. Hello there.
Hello sir.
So introduce yourself, student part what and where do you live?
My name is Thomas Marvikan and I'm a part 4 student and I live in College Alpha.
So do you think the lake is polluted?
Yes.
Yes. And why does it polluted?
Because I have smell bad odor comes from it when it raining.
Does the polluted lake matter to you?
Yes.
Um, can you give reason to prevent it from polluted? Reason. Reason.
Reason why it is better to me. Because it is nearby with two cafes, which is Pusat Plaza and College Alpha, so it is better to me.
Okay, can you suggest a couple suggestion for the lake to be clean?
Maybe we should try. Maybe we can often replace the wastewater treatment.
Okay, that's all from to be continued.
My name is David Gilbert and my student ID is 2021 1250 47, and I'm going to present about the causes of the water pollution. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the Alpha Lake pollution. The reasons behind this is caused by the sewage, seldom cleaned, and also animal feces. There is more reasons behind the water pollution other than the pollution that happen in the Alpha Lake, such as rubbish dumping, fuel spillage, deforestation, maritime traffic, near industry, agriculture, and livestock farming area.
My name is Mimi Nur Safia. My matrix number is 2021-108871, and I will proceed with the effect of water pollution. So the first one, we have destruction of biodiversity, which is water pollution cause lake to become overrun with phytoplankton and depletes aquatic ecosystem. And then the second point is contamination of the food chain, which is the use of wastewater for animal husbandry and agriculture, as well as fishing and contaminate water can contaminate food and cause some of health problems when consumed. Next, we will continue with the lack of potable water, which is many of individuals, especially in rural region, lack access to sanitary facilities or clean water to drink. And then we have disease, which is according to WHO, around 2 billion people are forced to drink water that has been tainted by feces, putting them at risk of illness, including cholera, hepatitis A, and dysentery.
Preventions of water pollution. The first one, we try to avoid plastic containers. Plastic shopping bags and plastic rings from 6 packs of beverage cause inordinate problems in the nation's lakes and seas. Plastic bottles can last for decades in the water. To prevent plastic containers, buy some reusable cloth or plastic groceries bags instead. They can be had for what the minimum involved. Reusable insulants to hold drinks and make your own filtered water at home. The second one, we have sprays washes into the water and reduces erosion. You can also volunteer your time in a local tree planting effort. If you own land along a river or pond, plant some trees, bushes, or grass along the bank to avoid water pollution. The last one, we have to cut down on the chemicals. Homeowners like to keep the yard looking green and healthy. Their desire for a green lawn produces water pollution into waste. Fertilizers and pesticides inevitably run off the shrubs and lawns and into the water. Select landscaping that is adapted to the climate. This makes the plants cheaper to care for. As a bonus, you will waste less water, keeping those plants alive.